In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade directly on TradingView desktop. If you're looking to streamline your trading process, then TradingView's desktop platform can be a great tool for you. It allows you to execute trades directly, making your trading experience more efficient and seamless. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your live chart on TradingView. Open up the TradingView desktop app and load the chart you want to work with. This is your foundation, your canvas, so to speak, where all the action will happen. Once you have your chart open, direct your attention to the lower part of your screen and locate the trading panel option. Clicking on this will open up the menu where you can manage your trading accounts and brokers connected to TradingView. This panel is essential as it acts as the gateway between you and the market. Next, review the list of available brokers. TradingView offers a range of brokerage options to choose from, and it's important to find one that meets your trading needs and objectives. If you're testing strategies or still getting the hang of things, I would advise you to select the paper trading option. Paper trading allows you to practice without any financial risk, providing a safe environment to hone your skills. After selecting paper trading or your chosen broker, look for the Connect button. Clicking on this will establish a connection between your TradingView account and the broker, enabling you to send trades directly from the platform. A stable connection is critical, so make sure you see the confirmation that you're successfully connected. Next, turn your attention to the search bar where you can select your trading pair. Click on the search bar to bring up a variety of currency pairs and trading options. Today, I'm opting for a classic choice, the Euro versus United States dollar. It's a popular pair and often a good one to start with if you're new to trading. Once you've selected the ER/USD pair from the search results, click on it to load the specific chart and trade details. This is where you can analyze the movements and patterns before making your decision to enter a trade. The trade button will be visible on your screen. Clicking it reveals the trading options available for your selected pair. From here, you can select either the buy or sell option based on your analysis. For today's example, I will be buying. Finally, confirm your trade by clicking on the buy button. This action will execute the trade and you'll be able to see it reflected in the platform. Remember, each trade is a learning opportunity, so review your process and results. There you have it, a straightforward way to enter a trade using TradingView desktop. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this platform offers tools to enhance your trading efficiency. Happy trading!